Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mani Kenny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. Already part of this fam. I appreciate you as usual. Do not forget to click that subscribe button and join the family if you are new, so you can get updated with all the new videos. Okay, on this channel we do hair, makeup, vlogging, lifestyle, all that good stuff. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed, using my crochet method, how I installed this body wave wig to my hair. No leave out whatsoever, no lace, no glue, because my routine these days is like really quick in the morning. So I wake up, I do what I have to do, get ready, and I do not have the time to start checking if my lace is laid and trying to glue it down and all of that stuff. Even when I do a really good install of my lace wig in the morning or like every day before I step out, I always have to maybe spray a little bit of glue spray or something just to make sure that it's not still laying, that is still laying flat, even if I did the necessary steps like tying it down, wearing a bonnet to go to bed. So because of that, I always look for easy hairstyles that are just easy to just maybe just brush and go, and I don't have to do a lot to the hair. So without further ado, if you want to see how I installed this, then stay tuned and let's jump right into this video.
It's Manny Kenny.
So first things first, I am just putting the hair on my head again to see where I want to place it. I did put it before cutting the lace, but this is the hair. This hair is 5 years old. This is one of the first samples for my business. So when I was about to start my business, I tested so many hair vendors, and after testing a bunch of them, like 8 if I remember correctly, or 9, I chose the best, and this was one of the hair, like the first hair that I got. And yeah, so this is very special to me. But the lace is bad after 5 years, which is normal, and I could change the lace because since the 4x4 closure, I could just replace that. But I decided to do this instead, change it, turn it into a V part / U part wig. So this is what I will do. I normally do, I will cut the lace in the middle because I want the middle line, and then after that I sew in these clippings on the lace. After that, yeah, this is just my hair looking raggedy. This is what I did to my hair. If you watch the video of me doing box braids on myself, this was a tip I gave you guys. So after taking out the box braids to wash my hair, I did not take out the little braids I did with my own hair, just so that I could do this hairstyle on it, because you need to have cornrows or some type of something on your hair for the clips, you know, to clip the clips onto your hair and everything. So that's why I left my hair that way. So sometimes when I'm in a rush, this is what I'll do. I'll just clip it down, and before trying to blend it or whatever, I'll just take a hair tie, put it on there in a, you know, believable, relatable way. And I'll just tie it, you know, fix and tie till I'm satisfied, and I go out. But for today, I'm going to do all the work around it. So after clipping this down where I want it to be, I'm just making sure the lines are straight the way I want. Then I take my crochet pin. So you see that you definitely need a cornrow to do this. In my previous videos where I did this method, I had long hair and I had cornrows. But if you have short hair, then you can do what I did here. You just use your own hair, do mini braids with it, and then use that as your ankle or something. So yeah, so I'm just hooking the needle into my own hair, which is under the wig, then taking the wig hair, passing it over, closing the clip, and then pulling it through. And yeah, this is the first time I'm doing this with body wave hair. It would definitely look more realistic with kinky straight hair and curly hair. If your hair texture is naturally like mine, I have 4C hair, so the curly textures will look more natural when I do this, and because of their volume, it's easy to blend. Anyways, so I've done this side now, and you can see what it looks like. That's before I brush it, so you can see where the crocheted hair is. But let's do the other side. Doing this with a mirror is something. It took me a while to like, be able to orientate myself, because the mirror shows you everything opposite. But anyways, after struggling, you can see me struggling. After all the struggle, I finally figured it out after a few trials, and then everything started going like it should. So you can see me using a brush here because I'm trying to already make it blend. I'm trying to put a little bit of volume. But yeah, I will do that again a few times. And then there are a few more tips I will do, which I will show you, to make this look even more seamless. This is a little bit harder because I did not have cornrows, so it made it a bit hard to crochet the hair, but I'm working with it. I worked with it and it came out good enough. Well, this is me after the struggle and now I'm trying to make it look better. So you can see the lace has the skin tone shade I put on it when I was wearing it, and now I am just trying to match that to my hair. So I just use a black eyeshadow, so powder, and I'm just using a eyeshadow brush and just putting that black, packing it on the lace, making any part of the lace that has any other color to match my own natural hair, which is black. And that way it did look way better by then. And then after this, I would just put my fingers through it to blend it a bit, brush through it, and yeah, I'm loving how it's looking. I was feeling myself the whole week. I wore this for 1 week, and yeah, it did look really good. I will still say it will look better with kinky straight hair or curly hair because that will match my forehead texture, but this does look good. So guys, this is the finished look, and I think it looks really good. Like, you have to be look right in my hair to be able to see any differences or whatever. But the one thing I would have maybe done better, or that I would advise in case you want to try this, is that my own natural hair is very black, like jet black, and this is like the natural 1B hair color. So if you come closer to me and if the light is really bright and really good, then you will be able to see that one hair is like a little bit brown and the other one is like really black. Like right here, if you like zoom right in, then you can see that this is darker than this, and that will be like my only like minus point. So I think if you were to do this, use jet black hair or color it or anything. So this one like my favorite wigs when I started wearing wigs often. And yeah, so the closure is old, like really old, and instead of replacing the closure, I was like, you know what, I've been doing this crochet method with curly hair and kinky straight hair, and I definitely want to try it with a more like straight texture, which I decided to try with this body wave waves. Okay, today is actually the 7th day of this install, so it definitely looks, on the first day I had to just make sure that I press down the sides that the hair lays. But today is 7 days later, and I think it really looks good. It still looks good. I've been wearing it for a week now, and I am in love with this method. You can check my previous video where I did it with kinky straight hair and where I did it with curly hair. And this is like my favorite way of revamping an old wig, especially when the lace is bad. When the lace is bad, it's either you buy a new lace and replace it, and I didn't want to do that, so I was like, you know what, then to just throw this hair aside, I could just do my crochet V-part method, and that's what I did. This is the first time I'm doing it with like straight texture, like body wave kind of texture, not a like afro kind of texture. So I was kind of worried in the beginning, like, okay, what would this look like? Will it really blend? But it's not that bad. And another thing I did, which I did not film, was that because my line is a bit too wide, I used the same black eyeshadow I used to shade the lace, to color the lace. I used it on my hairline, like on my skin, like this, and it made the line really cleaner. But now it's been 7 days, obviously, so the eyeshadow like disappeared a bit. That's a tip for you, just in case, just so like a little correction, because my hair under is not braided, as you could see previously, like earlier in the video. My hair is not braided, and because of that, I could not control how wide the part would be. If I had braided the hair, I would have just made the part like, I'll have braided the braids to be like the cornrows to be like really close together, just to make this part a bit, smaller. But yeah, you can always correct, okay? Be creative with it. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, if you learned something new. Are you going to try this? Yeah, let me know. So revamp those old wigs, okay? Looking at this wig again, and I'm just like, wow, I cannot believe this wig is like, what, 5 years old? 2018, 19, 2020. Yeah, it's 5 years old, pretty much. And I'm like, whoa. And she is still giving. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, if you have any questions about this method or anything else, let me know. I will link my next video somewhere on the screen. Please join the family and support your girl by subscribing and binge watching. Okay, welcome to the fam. Click that subscribe button below and the little bell so you get notified every time I post something new. Okay, please. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next video. I wish you all a good day. Love you all. Bye.